Using PowerPoint to present your lecture content for both your in-person and remote students is simple and straightforward. This video will show you the steps to open up your PowerPoint, present it to your in-person students, and to share the content using Zoom in the Share Screen function. Using PowerPoint is a great way to teach both your in-person and remote learners simultaneously. If you use PowerPoint to teach your class, sign in to the podium, as I have done here. Use the Start menu to find and open PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint is opened, I can open up a recent file or choose Open Other Presentations to find PowerPoint presentations that I saved in Microsoft OneDrive or elsewhere. It is recommended that you save your PowerPoint presentations to Microsoft OneDrive so that you can easily access and edit them both in the classroom and in your office. In this case, I'll open up one of my recent PowerPoint presentations and ensure that it's displayed on the annotation monitor. This monitor is also projected to the projectors in the classroom so that my in-person students are able to see the presentation. Now I need to ensure that our remote learners are able to see it as well. To do that, I'm going to open up Zoom and in the Zoom control panel, select Share Screen. After selecting Share Screen, I'm going to share the annotation monitor, confirming that this monitor number matches the screen number in Zoom. In this case, Screen 2, and I will select Share. Now both my in-person and remote learners are going to see anything that I place on this monitor, including my PowerPoint presentation. To begin the PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to click on Slideshow down at the bottom. Now I can see that the presenter view with the notes is here, while the slideshow view is over here. I want the students to be able to see just the slideshow view, so I need to swap these displays. To do that, I'm going to go to the Display Settings and choose Swap Presenter View in Slideshow in order to swap the displays. Now my remote students and my in-person learners are able to see my PowerPoint slideshow. I can advance slides using the arrow keys on the keyboard, or by using the attached stylus in order to tap on the screen, using the arrows down here at the bottom. In addition to using the arrows with the stylus, I can select the pins and choose a pin and a color in order to write on the screen. My content, as I'm writing on this screen, is visible to both in-person students via their projector and to remote learners through the Zoom screen share. You can use the pin tool in PowerPoint in order to select different colors. After selecting colors and writing content, you can also use the button on the pin to hold it down and switch to an eraser mode so that you can erase content that you have written on the screen. If you use this PowerPoint tool in the annotation tools here to share your content, be sure to build your PowerPoints with plenty of blank slides so that you have room to write your content, your handwritten content, on the PowerPoint in lieu of writing it on the whiteboard or chalkboard in your classroom. In addition to pins within PowerPoint, you may select highlighters in order to highlight content on your PowerPoint presentation, or select a laser pointer in order to draw attention to portions of your presentation for all of your learners. When you're done with your presentation, simply click the Escape key on the keyboard, and PowerPoint will ask if you wish to keep your ink annotations, keeping the content that you've written, or if you wish to discard it. If I choose to keep the content, you can see that PowerPoint now has what I wrote on my slides present here in this slide view, and I can save this in order to reference this material during future lectures, or to even share this PowerPoint file with my students if I wish to share my handwritten notes with them. PowerPoint allows you to prepare your lecture in advance so that way you can present your content to in-person and remote students. I hope this video shows you how easy it is to use during your class, and be sure to check out our other content on this YouTube channel.